Hi everyone, my name is Rose, and I'm going to share to you guys how to add filters on an item you searched on Elfster. So, for example, I want to add a filter to an item that I searched, which is a bag. So I'm going to click here that says filters. From here, I could see the two different filters, price and store. So the price ranges I'm going to click is 50 to 100. And the store that I wanted to see it at is at Target. And now that I'm done and everything looks correct to me, I'm going to click Apply Filters. As a result, so you could see that the filter is here and this is the outcome. And I could scroll and then add any of these items to my wish list. And that is the end of the tutorial.